Hi, this is the VIVO Y36 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So open first the control panel and you'll see here all of the available options which you could use if you want to remove some of the options from here, or just to add the new ones, or just to change the positions of the icons. You should click here to this edit icon, and after that you could add some options from this down section to your panel. To do that, just hold the icon and drag it to this up section. To remove some of them from here, hold the icon and drag it to the down. And to just change the positions of the icons, you should just hold the icon and drag it by this way. If you want to reset the changes, just tap to these three dots, click to reset, or to save the changes, tap to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.